In this episode of the 5 Best Pro, we'll cover the top 5 best soldering irons that are available on the market.
I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5. Craftsman CMCE040 Cordless Soldering Iron. The CMCE040 solders very well, tinning large gauge wire flawlessly and forming connections on delicate electronics. Also, it travels well. It's easy to break down into its constituent pieces that fit in a toolbox. The soldering iron stand easily detaches from the control unit. Pop the two pieces apart, slide the battery off the control unit, and stash the parts in the toolkit you take on the road. To set up wherever you are, pop the stand back onto the control unit, slide on the battery and allow the iron to warm up for 10-15 minutes, depending on your temperature setting. At number 4. Weller SP80NS 80 watts LED Soldering Iron. Brings the light. High-performance consumer soldering iron with the latest LED technology. Delivers light to the application while working. The SP80NS includes an 80-watt soldering iron with holder and a MTG20 chisel 0.375, 9.5 mm, soldering tip. The SP80NS unit is recommended for use with heatsink, ground plane, metal art, and plumbing. It is also acceptable for audio systems, jewelry, electrical, marine, and automotive. At number 3. Weller P2KC Self-Igniting Cordless Soldering Iron. The new Portasola cordless soldering tool from Weller gives you the ultimate in portable power and convenience for all your soldering jobs. Slide the fuel button forward, press the piezo switch, and the tool's super-fast heat-up lets you melt solder in under a minute. The Portasola cordless soldering tool is powerful too, adjusting from the equivalent of 25 to 75 watts for temperatures up to 858 degrees F. Refueled with standard butane in just 20 seconds, the Portasola P2C lasts for up to an hour of continuous use. At number 2. Weller 70-watt Digital Soldering Station. The WE1010NA includes 1 digital soldering power unit, WE1, 1 soldering iron, WEP70, 1 safety rest, PH70, and 1 ET soldering tip. The digital soldering power unit and soldering iron are ESD safe and have received a certificate of compliance for electrical safety, ULAN-CE. The WE1010NA is recommended for easy professional soldering jobs, PCBs, electronic kits, education, radio-controlled devices, indoor lighting, low-voltage wiring, and cable assembling. Acceptable applications are hobby models, small appliances, small engines, repairs, crafts, audio systems, and electrical. Finally, at number 1. Weller 20 to 80 Variable Wattage Power Grip Soldering Iron. Solder skillfully and confidently with Weller's 20 to 80 Variable Wattage Power Rechargeable Soldering Iron Station. With its ergonomic molded pencil grip handle, onboard tip storage and cleaner, and integrated safety rest, it's the perfect high-quality and versatile soldering iron station for all your soldering needs. Variable wattage dial enables you to take on a wider range of applications. Onboard secure safety rest holds iron when not in use, reducing the risk of injury or damage to your workspace. Onboard cellulose sponge tip cleaner helps to keep tips longer lasting, and at peak performance.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.